Hello, I'm John, and welcome to another Learn About Xero video. In this one, we look at what to do when your customer pays you more than what's shown on an invoice. In Xero, you can record an overpayment to show a credit on a customer's account. Let's take a look. Last month, we raised a sales invoice to our customer, Bayside Club, for $205. Our bank statement on the left shows we've received a payment from Bayside, but it's for $250. First, let's find the invoice. Click Find and Match. Here's the invoice. Let's select it. The total is out by $45 because the customer has overpaid. We need to create an overpayment transaction for that amount, so the total matches what's on the bank statement. Click New Transaction and select Receive Money. The money was received as an overpayment. A description might be useful. And Save Transaction. The total of the invoice and the overpayment transaction now matches what's on our bank statement. So click Reconcile. And that's it. What to do when your customer pays you too much money. Check out this playlist to learn more about reconciling your bank account with Xero. Thanks for watching.